Let's do a factory reset using external keys for this LG Risio 3 from Cricket Wireless. First, the phone must be powered off and removing the external memory card to save some files stored in this phone. And also, it is important that you know your Google account because after the factory reset, you have to verify Google in order to continue and get to the home screen and register a new account or use the same Google account. Okay, and if you are looking just to do a factory reset from settings or from menu of the phone, just open the link that I want to leave on the description of this video or on the comment section in case that you need help with the other type of factory reset. Basically, this is a hard reset using external keys. Okay, when you forget your password, pattern, or pin. Okay, you're gonna use volume down and power key. You're gonna press these two buttons together, and as soon as the phone vibrates or LG logo appears, just release the power button for 1 second and press the power again. Okay, the volume down is still. Don't move that until you get a recovery menu on the screen. Then release both keys. Okay, you're gonna start volume down and power. Phone vibrates, release, press. Okay, and when you see this menu, then that's when you release both keys. Using volume down, you want to highlight yes, press the power to confirm. Next step we already went through. Everything is going to be deleted on your phone, like pictures, videos, contacts, uh, music, and any other game applications. You're going to be deleted on your account. But after this factory reset with the same Google account associated with the phone, you will be able to restore your games and apps. Okay, as far as you did a backup copy of your multimedia on your Google account. By using volume down, highlight yes, press power key to confirm. And here was where the phone basically is gonna be delete everything, including lock screens like password, pattern, or pin, blocking the screen of this LG Risio 3 from Cricket Wireless. And just in case that the LG logo gets stuck on the screen for more than 8 minutes, that means that something is wrong with the motherboard and we need to calibrate the motherboard. Then just remove the battery, wait 5 seconds, put it back in, and start over again with the same process. Okay. And also, just a quick tip: if you experience a lot of drop calls, um, or your phone just go off suddenly, that means that something's wrong with the motherboard. So you can do a factory reset using external keys of the phone to help the motherboard to get calibrated and work properly. Okay, so but if you do that, make sure that you know your Google account, and also make sure that you did a backup or copy of your data on your Google account. So after the factory reset, you will be able to retrieve everything. Okay, so here it's going to take a few minutes for the phone to work until we're gonna get to the initial setup screen. Okay, so this is the initial setup screen. Let's go and touch here so you can see the languages that you are able to use on this phone. Okay, for now you're gonna stay with English and then just okay, hit the arrow to continue. You already have a SIM card, go ahead and insert it. um, if not, just skip this step. And also you need a Wi-Fi to connect in order to proceed, because for Google verification you need data. So just reach the Wi-Fi to continue. Next, skip anyway. For now it's letting me skip. Okay, your time zone, select your time zone, and then the month. To move the switch the month, just hit the arrow, select the day, and hit OK when you're ready. The time, just the hour, the minutes, AM or PM. hit OK to save, and then hit the next button. Okay, nickname for the phone. In case that you lost your phone and somebody else finds it, and after many attempts, they may guess your lock screen. So, for your safety and security, I recommend you to create a nickname for the phone because 99% of the cases, nobody has a safe nickname for a phone. So, um, I highly recommend you to set up one. Okay, skip and next, select screen lock like pattern, pin, and password. You can just say not now or skip this anyway, and but you can still set up the lock screen from settings, system settings. Okay, so Google services. Um, I recommend you to leave this one on location accuracy and system data notification. Um, so the first one helps location. It's anything that you go to Google search engine, and the first result you're gonna get is the one according to your phone's location. Second one is improve accuracy. That means that also is not is there any Wi-Fi available in your area? They will let you know so you can take advantage of it. And send system data. Also, any updates for your Android, you will receive notifications so you can download it and have your Android up to date. Hit OK. I mean next. Legal documents from LG. I agree and done. Cricket terms and conditions. Also, we have to agree in order for them to let us continue using our phone. Okay, and so let's go ahead and set up a lock screen for this LG Risio 3. So this is the settings screen, and you're gonna hold and set choose display. Okay, and second one is lock screen. Then swipe is now, so let's touch that, and we would like to set up a password with letters and numbers. Um, you can choose to require your password when you power on the phone or just go next things. Personally, I just don't want to go to have my password every time I turn on or off my phone, because since you already totally power on the phone automatically, I will lock your screen with the lock screen banner or pin or password. So to create a name, a number, no less than four numbers, and I mean letters, and at least three numbers. Confirm the same. In this case, I'm gonna choose the Risio 123 and hit OK. And then screen notifications. You can choose to have all your notifications display once you turn on the phone or your screen, or high sensitive only. That means that it won't show any social media notification, email, or things like that, but just the time, and you have a weather application on your phone, that's when it's gonna display. Okay, you can choose hide all not sensitive notification, hit OK, and so now it's, let's go and open, and it works. Okay, so you want to change your lock screen, and just come back to settings and then hit display and then lock screen and screen lock. So password, let's type the password to confirm, hit OK, and now we got the option to choose a pattern or pin. Which one would you like to use? Maybe let's go and choose the pattern. So the pattern is just press one dot and connect to draw a pattern that you would like to have on your phone. Okay, and you have to go to next and create the same. For now, I'm gonna create this one. So next, just a basic one. Hit confirm, and my phone has been locked with a partner now. So let's go and touch this. There you go. So this is how to set up a lock screen on this LG Risio 3. Let me know if you have any other questions, and please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and just open my other links under the comment section of this video on how to factory reset, how to disable talkback, or any other issue that we like to have your phone with. Okay, thank you.